Hello everyone and welcome to Excel Essentials. Today I would like to show you part 1 of my how to create a nice automated KPI video. The video will be split into 3 parts. The first part will be how to automatically get data from another Excel sheet and populate it into my KPI. The next part will be how to create some KPI data so that it's useful, and the third part will be how to make a nice looking KPI inside of Microsoft Excel. To start with, I've created a page for settings where I have named I have two cells, one with the week number of today, I will use that later, and one path to the data where I want to get my data, which is updated each day, and bring it into my KPI. And it's really important to have the path to the data listed in a cell, because if other users are to use this automated KPI, they won't know probably how to use VBA. Therefore, it's way easier for the normal user just to have a cell where they can change the path. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to write a macro that opens another Excel sheet and automatically extract the data I need. The data I want to use for this is some sales data I've created with all dates inside of 2022. And each day this Excel sheet is updated with what is the sold amount. And in this column we have what was I expected to sell. So to do this, we will need to write a macro. So the first thing I want to do is dim path as string. Oh. So first I want to define what is the path, and that's equal to this here. Note that I've called this cell for path. The reason why I like to name my ranges is because let's say that one day I wanted to have it down here, it's still here. But if I said that it had to be C5 and I changed it, then it would take this as path instead of this one. So first I would like to dim this workbook, which is the KPI generator I'm working in, set VB as this workbook. Then I want to open a new workbook, so dim data workbook as workbook, set data VB limit workbooks dot open of path. So if I just execute my code now, you can see that this is automatically opened. But we want to close it again. Now we want to extract all of the data. In order to do so, we want to have a dynamic way to know how much data there is. So what we're doing here is, I can show you with an example. We'll just execute the code and stop it here. Oh, that was a data line. Let's see, perhaps I wrote something wrong. Okay, I forgot to say which sheet that we were, and it's the data sheet we were referring to. So what we're actually saying here is that how long is the row in column A, and as you can see, it has 367 rows in it, and that's also the value of the length of data. So now we want to copy the data and paste it into our in raw. So this should do it. If we execute the code now, the sales data should be closed. Then this should be populated with the sales data. And here it is. Ergo, each time we activate this code, it will automatically get the new sales data and put it inside our in raw data here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.